We at StepUP believe that instead of constructing new buildings, the renovation and adaptation of the existing building stock is the sustainable way forward. In the StepUP project, we developed new technologies and solutions to increase the efficiency of the buildings by more than 60%, to reduce the construction time on site by 40%, and to reduce the performance gap between the design and operation of the building by at least 10%. As StepUP, our role in the project was to develop a new renovation methodology that takes advantage of industrialized solutions and integrates life cycle assessment and stakeholder engagement strategies. Also, during the project, we coordinated the demonstration of the different technologies and solutions through the pilot sites in the 3 countries.
Our Hungarian pilot, the Zöld Liget Kindergarten, is located in Budapest, more specifically in District 18. It is a public building and it was built in 1952. So because of its old age, it's a really bad energy consumer. During the first phase of the deep renovation, we installed a plug-and-play envelope system, which are basically prefabricated envelope panels provided by MONEY and is open. It is quite easy to install, saves time and also money, and reduces the disturbing environmental factors such as dust and noises.
To ensure efficient heating to the kindergarten, we changed the old gas boilers to efficient heat pump system, and we also built another kind of heating system, which is a fan coil system. It also enables not just the heating but the cooling during the summer. We included and installed an innovative thermal battery system for the heating and for the cooling as well, and we are monitoring everything, so based on machine learning and good decision-making algorithms, we are able to provide a very efficient heating and cooling, very low cost.
We learned from the project that we have to change our traditional approach towards renovations and increase the involvement of the stakeholders of the project to bring better cooperation and to use data-driven design to bring the benefits of the industrialized solutions of affordability and quick construction.